Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we are discussing about human resource management, HRM. That what is human resource management? So let's get into this video. Firstly, I would like to read the definition first, then we discuss this further. So as written here, human resource management is a process of recruiting, selecting, inducting employees, providing orientation, imparting training and development, appraising the performance of employees, deciding compensation and providing benefits at the same time, motivating employees, maintaining proper relationships with employees and their trade unions, ensuring employees' safety, welfare and healthy measures in compliance with labor laws of the land. Yeah, there are a lot of steps that you can read in this definition, but I would like to make it easy for you guys. Now look at the HRM process. If we talk about starting from the recruitment, so it is a complete process that starts from recruiting, in which organization enlisting new people, then out of which they select the best potential skilled employees. Then they provide training so it will be easy for them to understand business processes and day-to-day operations. After that, what they did, they assess their performance through different ways and keep motivating the employees either through rewards or benefits or through recognition, or you can say by appreciating them. Then they also give them compensation, as well as managers try to create and maintain good trustworthy relationships with the employees as well. Then they also assure about safety, welfare and health benefits and measures of the employees as per the compliance of labor law as well. So if you look deeply to these steps, you may find management functions like planning, organizing, directing and controlling in these HRM process. So they are pretty much similar to that. Now I would like to make it further easier for you guys to understand this. So always I told you that if you didn't understand the meaning of anything, look deeply in individual words. Like you see, human resource management means there are three different words, and if you combine them, if you separate them, human means from the perspective of organization we are talking about, like human means refers to the skilled workforce in an organization, and talking about resource, it means that limited availability or scarce, you can say. And if you talk about management, from the perspective of this definition, it refers to how to optimize and make best use of such limited or scarce resources as to meet the organization goals and objective. So if we combine the whole, you can say the whole three words, what we come up with is we understand human resource management as that it means for proper utilization of available skilled workforce and also to make efficient use of existing human resources in the organization. If we talk about today's world, many experts claim that machines and technologies are replacing human resource and minimizing their role. But if I say that that they forget that machines and technologies are built by the humans, and only they need to be operated or at least monitored by humans, and this is the reason why companies are always looking for people like very skilled and talented people, and that good enough make them you can say efficient as well. So what they are searching for is they are looking for you can say that talented, skilled and qualified professionals for continuous development of the organization. Therefore I must say that humans are you can say that humans are the crucial assets for any organization. Although if you talk about today, many tasks have been handling over to the artificial intelligence. You know about artificial intelligence, but what they lack judgment skills, and that is just because of that these judgment skills cannot be matched with human mind. You cannot replace human mind with anything, because it is the human who produce these technologies and they won't go far enough through human intelligence. As well said by someone that you must treat your employees with respect and dignity, because in the most automated factory in the world, like most automated industry in the world, you need the power of human mind. That is what brings in innovation. If you want high quality minds to work for you, then you must protect and respect. This is the video for all of you guys. Hope you understand about human resource management, that what is human resource management. If you like this video, if you understand it properly, like and subscribe our channel, as well as join our Facebook group Knowledge Topper, and also like our Facebook page Knowledge Topper. So this is the video for you guys. Hope you learn a lot, hope you understand about this. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.